VW Tiguan 2012 with Golf Mark 7 steering wheel MQB with custom module, and it's got cruise on the wheel. As you can see, the light is different and the buttons are working as they should. Left and right scrolling through the menus. Yeah, up and down. You can change songs from here. You got voice control, phone. There's no phone connected now. Now you're gonna have on and off for the cruise control. See? Cruise control on, cruise control off. And you're gonna have resume and set. Those are the main ones that you're gonna use for cruise. This one's just skip very fast. Most of the time you'll be using this. Then you have the volume. And all working as it should.